Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to use Viggle AI. Before you get started with Viggle AI, make sure you have a Discord account. If you don't have one, you'll have to create a Discord account because we can only use Viggle AI with Discord for now. First, search Viggle AI in your web browser. Click on the first link. Click on Join the Beta. Click on Join Viggle. Once you join Viggle, you'll get this screen. Click on Learn Viggle command. In the Learn Viggle command tab, you can see the tutorial on how to mix a character image into a motion video. So the first step is upload an image with a clear character, upload a video featuring clear motion. Now, if you look down, there are also tips for your uploaded materials. First, image, containing only one character with full body, face facing the front. Video, showcasing clear human emotion, no more than 30 seconds, resolution higher than 720p. Make sure the image that you're using is front facing and the video that you're using has clear motions, is below 30 seconds and is higher in resolution. In the left side, you can see the create video section. In that, you can select any animation from this list. For example, I'm going to select number 10. Now in the chat bar, press /, then click on Mix. You need to upload first the image file you want to animate, then the video file from which you want to take the motion and animation. I'm going to use this image which I'm going to animate, and I'm going to use this video file. Upload image here and your video file here. Click on background and I'll choose white as the background of my image is white. If the background of your image is green, then you should choose green. But now I will choose white, then click on fine tune and turn it on. Once everything is done, press enter. Once you press enter, you'll get this message. And just wait for some time till it processes your video. Once the video is done, it will appear like this in the chat. Download your video and enjoy. You can use some more better examples than me and be more creative. Make sure the quality of both the image and video should be decent. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.